Hello everyone, I'm Ezekiel Bruni, and I'm here today on behalf of VPN Mentor to answer one simple question. How do you watch Netflix via ExpressVPN? This is our favorite VPN for streaming and just about everything else. It's very good for video in particular, so that's why we recommend it. Moving on, you're traveling abroad, you're on business or on vacation, whatever the case, and you've decided, you know what, you'd like to watch an animated movie. But you don't want to be left a quivering, sobbing mess like you do with Pixar and some of the more recent Disney films, so you decide to go for, hey, Sing was good. I mean, Taron Egerton, whatever. You know, the guy voicing the gorilla channeling Elton John, he was good. But oof, Sing 2 is just not available. What do? As previously mentioned, you'll want ExpressVPN. Now, in my case, I am in Mexico, and Sing 2 is available in the US. Now, you can connect to one of any of, 94 different countries, so you can always find a server that's close to you if you want something for speed, or if you want specific content from one of those 94 different countries. But we've already got the one we're looking for here, USA Dallas. That's my usual go-to. And now let's refresh the page, and let's try it again. And there it is. It was that simple, just hit the button and go. Honestly, again, ExpressVPN is the best service we know of for unlocking Netflix or into other streaming services while you travel. It also uses its own specialized VPN protocol for streaming called Lightway, which basically balances security and speed, and as you can see, does it very well. But, okay, that's the US and Mexico. What about a different country? What if you want to watch something a bit more English? Well, disconnect and connect to your UK server of choice. Refresh the page again. It's going to take longer because now we're connecting to a server on the other side of the world, pretty much. But there we go. Frankly, a lot of the content for the UK site is going to be the same. But if you want to see what's popular in the UK, you can. As you can see, when you're connecting halfway around the world, it does take a tiny bit longer for everything to start. But ooh, there's BBC's Bodyguard series. If you're ready to watch 6 episodes of a thing, and only 6 episodes of a thing, as you can see it works, then UK shows are for you. As you can see, ExpressVPN works just fine for video streaming all around the world, whatever you might need. And if you want to know more about what ExpressVPN can do, then go check down in the description because there will be a link there to a full review of ExpressVPN with all of the services we've tried, all of the services we've tried unlocking, all of the speed tests we've run, and everything else you might want to know. And if you're ready to jump right into ExpressVPN, well, there's a discount link below as well, which can get you a hefty discount off your first purchase of ExpressVPN. Also, if you found this video useful or helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon to see more, and all of that good stuff that keeps our channel going in the YouTube algorithm. And with all of that said, this is Ezekiel Bruni signing out.